Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. I am Bill, your Drunken Sailor, and I am here to bring you some really great cocktails. We've got one today that I think you're going to find very interesting. It's a little bit of a twist on a sour. It's actually a gin sour. And today's cocktail is called the Blue Lady. So let's get pouring. We are going to start this cocktail in the shaker. And as I said, it's a twist on a sour, so the first thing I'm going to start in there with is an egg white. Or you could use aquafaba, which is the water that comes from a can of chickpeas. Next ingredient in there is going to be some nice fresh lemon juice. We are going to use 1 ounce. What you're going to see me do is trimming the ends off the lemon. This allows you, if you're using a hand juicer, to get a lot more juice out of that lemon. Put that in there. We're going to use about 1 ounce. My next ingredient in there is blue curacao, and we're going to use 1 ounce. And this is our homemade curacao, so you can find a recipe for this if you look for our playlist behind the bar. Last but not least in there, we're going to be using gin. Today I'm using Tanqueray 10, 2 ounces of gin. Oops. We're going to give this a dry shake now, and that's going to help break down the egg white, emulsify it, give that some foam and some texture into the cocktail. You got to be careful when you do a dry shake. You get a lot of pressure built up inside that cocktail. Next thing we're going to do in there is we're going to ice this down. We're going to give it another shake and chill it down. We're using smaller ice cubes in here today. That's also going to help dilute the cocktail as we shake it. One more shake. Now as I get ready for the pour, you can see I made a little bit of a mess. We'll wipe that down. Keep your bar workspace clean. Gonna grab a chilled coupe. And now we're gonna pour. And all I need to do left is garnish this. We're gonna use a little bit of lemon. We're gonna squeeze that on there. Give it a real quick twist. And there you have the Blue Lady. Cheers everyone. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave us a comment, leave us a like, and thanks for joining us again.